Welcome! If you want to customize volume styles panel into your VIVO V20, firstly open Play Store and find volume styles application, this one. Need click install and wait a few seconds for installing. Then click open, and now need to choose your volume styles, for example Android 12, so click it, and on the bottom we got start button, so click it, and now need give permissions for this application, so click here and then one more time into our settings, allow, and last one click yes I agree, and now we got a new volume styles like Android 12. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.